How to change a page name on Facebook. Open Facebook app. Tap menu icon. Tap your pages. Select the page you want to rename. Tap Edit Page. Tap Page Info. Tap the field with the name of the page. Tap on the page name field again. Delete the old name, and enter a new name. Tap the Continue button. Make sure you've entered the new page title correctly. Confirm the changes by clicking the Request Change button. Facebook will review your request to rename the page within 3 days. Then confirm or reject the changes. You will be notified of the result.